Chapter 3. Here we will explain, section by section, all the functions of our Quick. Let's learn to cook with Quick. Look, initial screen, we are going to cooking mode to start. We have 3 default temperatures and we can add 3 more temperatures. We can even modify those on the screen. How? Let's go to settings and the section that shows temperatures. Notice that we have them all here. We can add, we can change. If you press here, this will be added to the initial screen. Notice how I can change the temperature, okay? The start to the recipe we want to make. So we press OK, select back and enter cooking mode. In this case, we are going to do 275. We recommend cooking at 275. We press and the preheating of the equipment would start. Once the equipment is preheated, it moves to the recipes section, recipes that we have previously saved. Like the first case, that's when we acquire a tea. It comes with some preset recipes that we can use. But I want to cook and I don't have a recipe. I can go, notice the drop down we have on the right. We open it and we have cook by time. Let's cook by time. It shows me in intervals of 30 seconds up to 4 minutes. We're going to make a sandwich. I don't know how long it might take, so it's useful to work by time. So I'm going to give it 30 seconds to see how it turns out. If the sandwich turns out well, I have the opportunity to save that recipe.
We are going to start a cooking process so you can see it. Look, here we have it.
Our Quick starts.